Oh dear.
Here, come here. Come here. Come here. I'll hold it.
Oh. Aww. Did you see the pretty lights, Josh?
Hi.
Who's that? Hi, Theo. We're doing bonfire night. Ah! Oh yay! Traffic lights. Traffic lights.
Cool fireworks.
Oh my!
What's she been doing?
Come on, Grandma. Grandma, I'm recording.
I don't need my phone.
Oh,
Oh, he doesn't like it.
my next one's coming. Oh. Woo! Oh, that got sparks on my nose. That gets sparks on my nose.
I don't need that.
You might.
No, I don't.
Good recording.
Oh,
Josh.
it's for fireworks.
Ben.
It smells
Yeah,
like
you were just
poop.
running through the
It
main.
smells like poop. Don't worry, it's not. I know it's not poop. This is me having my watch on with my teddy, I wish. As Cash.
You've got them
Doing
last year.
bonfire
Bobby
night.
boots, didn't you?
Me videoing. And Nico's right back.
Yeah, I'm running, guys.
Oh! That was a big one, guys.
Yeah, if that got over the
These
hedge, that would
fireworks
be
are going to
so.
last for years now.
If that went over the hedge, that would be
Remember the
so.
Catherine wheel?
I want you to be fireworks
Not
next
him,
year.
I mean the Catherine wheel
Yeah,
that was at,
definitely.
But they're only a one time. Daddy, are they all one-time use? Oh.
When I was little,
That's a cool one.
What was the house on the float? What was the
I wonder why
float?
fireworks
Not
sound
float,
like this in Minecraft, correct?
the Catherine wheel that was
Yeah, we do sound like that. Oh my gosh, there's so much smoke.
yeah.
Yeah.
Are you wearing Daddy's coat, Ava?
Maybe.
I thought you was. Okay, next one is coming.
Are you taking
Oh,
Here it is.
I love the
Sprinkle.
fountains.
It's like a sprinkler, but it's
Yeah.
but absolutely.
It's like sprinkles
I like
and
how films of music for.
pumpkins.
Oh, I want to go get the sprinkles.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Every
they'll burn your
sprinkle.
hand
It's
off,
silent
man.
disco,
What's
though.
your name in this game?
Cash.
Huh?
My name's Cash. And
What's
you're
this-
Nico.
I'm Nico. So you're Cash.
Yeah.
Mum always had fireworks.
There'll be
for
more
you, didn't
fireworks
she,
than this on the
Louise?
first one, Paul.
I thought she'd be here to see the fireworks.
Great.
Oh no, I think the fireworks are broken.
Yeah.
Ugh.
So when they explode, they must be broken.
Bonfire night! Wait, is there bonfire night?
No, not till the
Next
5th
week.
on Tuesday.
Firework night. Because I don't know what to call it. Oh, party night. Oh.
Bam.
Oh.
Oh, it's still going.
Nice.
That's it.
I think we might be going to
You
Ethan's
okay?
house for that.
Hello.
Okay.
Halloween.
Cash. Hi.
Yeah. Cash is a bit crazy.
No, he is not.
Yeah,
No, he is not.
Okay, I'm the crazy.
Ooh.
Oh, traffic
Oh,
lights.
oh, traffic.
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy, we had these ones last year.
That's called traffic lights. That's called traffic lights, Phil.
Yeah, we had the traffic lights last year, and I loved them.
Okay, guys, that's
We
a lie.
we used to have it in Minecraft.
He's not craziest.
Yes.
I'm the craziest because in Minecraft.
No, we're
I
both.
exploded my
We're both
house.
crazy.
Yeah, but I exploded my house. I'm crazy.
We're both crazy.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Cause you're actually one who, cause you're actually the one who, cause you're the one who blew up my house. You're the one who blew up my house, so you
I
are.
think that was a fireworks tree. No, it's not your house. We didn't blow up anyone's house.
Yeah, I did.
Who?
Oh yeah.
That's Millie's house getting blown up by her experiment.
Yeah, I didn't like that day.
Little bits inside. That's it.
Whoa!
See.
Whoa!
That was bad.
Ben.
What about the top
Aside by
ones?
the bin a bit, then go into the
Ooh,
upper window.
wait.
Ben.
He is doing top ones.
No, it's
That,
not.
they're proper firework. Oh no, he's not doing top ones.
You can see that, don't it?
These are actual proper fireworks. I love that noise. It's like an eagle.
I was thinking of the owl when the owl speaks.
Sounds like Ben when he's running around the house.
Oh yeah, sort of.
Why that?
How many fireworks has Daddy actually got?
12.
7.
And more than that. Oh yeah. Cash. Nico. Yeah.
Trying to set
Yeah.
the rockets
I
up
think.
again.
Oh.
Wow!
I could feel that.
Second one off.
Oh.
Not yet. Is it behind it?
Oh yeah, you got the one behind that one.
Right up Wash!
Yeah.
Oh, did you get it, Finn?
Yep. Every
Round one
single
over.
piece. Okay, that's it from Cash and Nico. Hello. Bye.